I'm going to show you guys how to install the pedal shaft felt garments onto these two pedals. One pedal is for the brake and one pedal is for the clutch, and it's important we get the pedals orientated in the right direction. So you want it so these little lips on the pedals face inward towards each other, so like that, and with this bend going in this direction or downwards, and this little notch right here is where the bolt will feed through on the pedal to hold these pedals in place. There are a few components to the pedal shaft felt garments. There's the felt garment right here. You have a big washer, but we upgraded our washer to a bigger one so it will cover our big hole better, and then a spring that will help reduce the banging noise. It is now time to install the pedal shafts through the tub, and we're going to use these two holes right here. This is the clutch pedal, and this hole right here is the brake pedal. As you can see, this hole has been, enlarged over the years as we think this tub is original. You have to use a bigger washer to try cover this hole so this arm won't make a big dent in the tub right here and make this hole even bigger, and we don't want that. Now with the correct pedal shaft for the clutch, we are going to install it. So you want to make sure you have, see this lip right here on this pedal right here? This pedal goes on the clutch pedal arm, and with this little notch right here on the top, and with this bend pointing down, it will be installed onto the clutch pedal arm on this side. And to install the brake pedal shaft, the indent is facing this direction or towards your left, and you want to have these little ridges facing towards each other, and this pedal will be installed onto the pedal arm right here. Before you install the pedal shaft onto the pedal arm here, make sure you install your felt garment, your washer, and your spring. Now taking you guys around to the firewall on the back side here in the engine compartment side. This right here is the clutch pedal arm, and now we will push through the pedal shaft from the inside of the Jeep, or where you sit. Push the pedal shaft through the firewall. This might be kind of tricky, but now you put on your felt garment on first. Next, put on your washer. And then put your spring on with the larger part facing towards the big fender washer and the smaller part towards the pedal shaft arm. It is important that we get this assembly on first, as now we have to connect it to the pedal arm. Pull back the pedal arm until you can slide the pedal shaft into the pedal arm. You may need to remove the paint on the pedal shaft so it slides in easier. And if you're using old stock, make sure to re-tap the threads on the pedal shafts, as it will make it a lot easier to thread on. Use the bolt that's provided with your pedal arm when you buy it, or you have to get your own bolt. You get this from a local hardware store, and it's a 5/16 bolt, 1.5 inches long, and it's coarse thread with a lock washer. Insert the bolt from this side right here for the pedal arm, and this bolt will go through that little notch I showed you on the pedal shaft, and it will thread onto the pedal arm, and that is how the pedal is secured. And it also has your garment spring kit here, and that actually helps to seal this hole, and also it reduces the banging noise when you let go of the clutch or brake and the pedal arm just slams against the firewall here, and it actually reduces the noise, and it's a good thing that you install this. Put the bolt through the clutch pedal arm. Tighten bolt until it is snug. As you can see, the bolt is properly installed. The felt garment is on, the washer and the spring are on, and now when you push the pedal down, see, it doesn't make a big banging noise. And that is how you install the clutch pedal shaft, and the brake pedal shaft is the same steps. Taking you guys back around to the front here, you can see the clutch pedal is installed, and this little lip is pointing inwards or towards the passenger side or to your right, and the brake pedal will now be installed in this hole with the lip facing this way or towards the driver's side or to your left. Here is the brake pedal shaft, and it will go through the same few steps, but make sure your lip are facing towards each other. That's a very important step, because you don't want this lip to be on the other side, because that'll interfere with your gas and brake pedal leg movement, and your leg will get all hung up, and we don't want that. Insert the brake pedal shaft through the firewall. And there you go. Both the pedal shafts are installed on the brake and on the clutch. They are properly tightened, and the setup of the garment is correct. And that is how you install the components on the back side here on the firewall. Both the pedal shafts are installed. The lip is pointing towards each other, and that will not interfere with the gas pedal, which will be located here. You have to check out another video how to install the gas pedal. There's also videos explaining how to install the pedal shaft arms here, and that is how you install your pedal shafts. Thanks for watching Let's Build a Willys Jeep, and make sure to subscribe and check out all the other videos to get your Willys Jeep back in operation.